welcome. In front of me is a POCO F4. And today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and here navigate to About Phone, where you will find a little bit lower option for factory reset. Click on it. This will give you a little message letting you know what it removes. So we have basically a list of things that it removes. Now some of those things you don't need to worry about, like as an example, contacts. It gets rid of them, but it doesn't delete the contacts. It just logs them out of the phone. The contacts still exist and you can re-log into back to them later on after, for instance, the reset is finished or on a completely different phone, and everything associated with that account will still be there. What you do want to worry about is things that you store locally on the phone. So photos, maybe music, documents, stuff like that. So anyway, to get started, you'll want to select the Erase All Data from the bottom. And then you have the option to either back up your data if you want to, or if you don't want to do it, you can immediately jump to factory reset right here. When you press on this, we do have like 20 seconds of our life wasted with the info that, hey, you cannot undo this. Be sure to back up everything because it cannot be undone. So once our 20 seconds of life is wasted, we can then proceed by selecting OK and actually beginning the process. So there we go. Now I'll let it run through. This will take probably a minute or two to finish up, and once it's finished we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.